How to be a good husband. Step 1. Buy your wife a scythe. Step 2. That's all. There's no step 2. Self-preservation will take care of the rest.
And now for something completely different.
So I'd like to start sharing a few gardening tips and tricks in my videos, though that won't be in full swing until next year. Regardless, here's a scythe unboxing video. And by the way, the drums are provided by my neighbor, who probably didn't know we were recording at the time.
$4 for the shipping. Oh, that book. Awesome. Ooh. Hot diggity. But now, how do I know which one's which?
You'll know.
This is a complete outfit from Size Supply plus an extra blade.
Oh, nope. My bad.
Ah. That must be the bush blade then.
Brush blade now.
Whatever it's called.
You probably read a main newspaper there too.
Ooh, fun. What's going on in Maine these days?
Oh, we gotta oil that.
Yeah, I imagine you should probably do that before I start using it.
It's got our name on it.
Yes. Thingamajig, used to set preening jig and anvils.
The peening jig is for occasionally putting a fresh edge on the blade with a hammer.
Calico squash casserole.
Okay.
2 seasons squash medley.
There's more parts to this.
Yeah, I'm getting it. There's that bit. And then number 4. Your number 4 ring comes with 2 set screws. Take care of them. Replacements are difficult to source and not available through Scythe Supply.
The snath length and handle placements are custom fit to dimensions you provide the manufacturer.
Oh, that's your stone.
The outfit also includes a stone and holder.
Yeah, but it's waterproof.
Medium grit dragon whetstones are hand quarried so show natural irregularities. Use the narrow faces to hone and sharpen your blade. Keep a few pebbles in the bottom of your holder for easy stone removal.
Where are the handles?
Well, the last thing I'm going to open, duh.
All right, hold them out over the...
Let's get this all put together.